like a little bear thingy. I get this for $15, and then like it's destroyed it, and there's like have some more defects. And I was planning to save. Do I just like wash it? I don't really sure what I should do, so I think I should wash it. But actually gonna do this. I really want to do this. Like in a long time, but I have a little bit don't want to do it. Because it's like pretty squishy. Okay, let's do it. So first we fill up our sink. Go up. Use some hot water. Kind of better. Probably not done. This is okay. Probably okay. So I'm gonna hold my phone in 1, 2, 3. Drop it. Okay, so put this in the sink. Okay, it's kind of okay, but not that bad, not too good. Let's see, did this grow bigger? Did this? See. Let's see, is it grow bigger or not? Does this grow bigger? Actually, not that big. It's like a kind of like a not so rising anymore. So sad. But that's okay. Let's wash it with soap. Okay, let's wash with some soap so it's like it smells good. So I put you guys over here so you guys can see actually. Okay, let's wash it. I like keep like very disgusting already, like a disgusting like a mess. It's a mess, so it's like a very messy and then very a mess. Yeah, this is very mess. It's a mess. It's very dirty. Yeah, it's very dirty. It is actually. It's pretty dirty actually, and then I put it on the sink. It's like pretty dirty, and then like you have to like depending how dirty it is. And I think I should make it depending on. Maybe do a large slime, solid large. A video for it, I think, if you guys like it. Hope you guys like it. I don't know, somebody don't like it, but but I'm liking it actually. The back is okay, but the front is like a mess. A mess. So I can clean that out Okay. You can This is too thin. Let it break. Spring break. Keep washing it. So like this right now, but I want to clean more and more. It's pretty hard right now. It's not gonna be very I thought it's gonna be very very slow and like keep like it looks like like a jelly thingy, like little jelly bees like that. It's pretty hard. Like the squishy not slow rising and not soft, but like pretty hard. Like a stretch ball right now. It's kind of like a stretch ball. The hot water. Pretty hot. It's okay. Yeah, actually it's okay. Yes. This thing is hard to like get out of the soap. Good, so this is actually turned out those squishy tears. And okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe in the comment. Let me know what video do I should do next, and bye.